Hey guys, and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I'm going to be doing something a little different. I am going to be doing a floral arrangement video. I went over to the Dollar Tree and they had some really pretty flowers this season. So I thought I would show you guys how I made this beautiful arrangement. I'm making it for my Easter minis that are coming up soon. I am a photographer. So I just thought I would make a little video out of it and hopefully you enjoy it. So like I said, everything is over at the Dollar Tree. I got this cute little tin that says Flowers and Gardens. They also have it in French if you want to be a little French chic. And then I got the little block of foam to stick my flowers in. I got this really pretty wisteria. I only got one because I don't want too much, but they're really nice and droopy, so they can add some more, texture to your bouquet. And then what this is mainly going to be made out of is these lavender bunches. And I thought they were so pretty, and I think that these might be new this year, but I really like the stems are like a muted green, and then there's two different buds. They have the dark purple and then the light purple buds. And then I got a piece of lilac just to break it up. And then I got a spider plant, and I'm going to use those also to break up the purple, and so that it's not all bunched together and too much color blocking. You want to kind of separate all your colors and have contrast and depth and everything. So the first thing I'm going to do is take off all of the labels, and then this is the part where if you don't already have some really good wire cutters, don't do what I did and just use my little tiny ones. Go get a nice good pair, because these ones suck and they hurt my hand after a while. But note to self, buy new wire cutters. So I'm just going to cut them all apart so that I can have just an easier time of being able to arrange them. You could just stick them in this way, but then the bunches might be too close together, and then you'll have a harder time trying to break it up with your other pieces. So I'm just going to speed this up so that you guys don't have to watch me do every single one, but I'm going to keep them all long right now, and then later on in the process, oh, there was my cat. She decided whenever there's flowers involved, she has to see. Even though they're not real, she thinks maybe they are real, so maybe she could have a little nibble, but quickly realize oh, they're not real. Okay, that's no fun. Okay, so the first thing I did was of course put that little foam piece in the bottom of my tin, and then I just start sticking in my lavender pieces. I kind of crisscrossed them so that they weren't all sticking straight up. Some were a little bit slanted because of course in nature they're not all perfectly standing straight. So I'm just going to keep sticking them into the foam block just however I think that they would look good. I did end up cutting the wisteria apart and then putting one on one side and one on the other. And then in the front, I sort of layered the lilac by cutting them shorter so that it would fill in the spaces so you didn't see all these stems just in a row. I did forget to buy moss when I was at the Dollar Tree to cover up the foam block. I did a pretty good job of filling it in so you can't really see in it, and it won't really show up in photos, but if I had it on display in my home, then I for sure would want to get the moss, because then people would be able to see right in the tin basically. So yeah, I'm just going to start breaking it up with my spider leaves and my white lilac, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. You just fiddle with it until you think it's beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. I just wanted to get something out for you guys, and I do enjoy making my own props for my business. So if you enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up, and of course don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my Facebook and Instagram, where I do host some of my giveaways. All those links will be in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.